I know why you all are here, so let's not waste any time in useless intros. First, make sure to create a separate channel for this bot. Now go to this website called Shape.inc. And on the top left hand side, click Create Shape and fill out the details here. And we filled that out at the speed of light. Now you will find instructions here. We will follow everything step by step. In Discord portal, go here and click New Application, and write the name. You will find Discord portal link in the bio. You can use the description from the instructions itself, so no need to be creative. But make sure to credit Shape.inc server in the bot's description. You can also set a cute profile picture for the bot. Now go to OAuth 2. And click In-App Authorization in that drop-down. Now click Bot. And here click Read Messages/View Channels in the first column and Send Messages in the second column. There's nothing tricky here. Now click Bot on the left-hand side. Here you need to enable two toggles at the bottom, Message Content Intent and Server Members Intent. Now scroll up and click Reset Token. It will ask your password, or if you have two-factor authenticator, it will ask for the code. Now just copy it, go back to Shape.inc and paste that code. Make sure not to give that code to anyone. And there we go. It was much faster and easier compared to the last time where we had to use Shape.inc. I hope you remember that. By the way, click Add to Server to add the bot. And as you can see, the bot is in the server. Now give her proper perms so she can chat. As I said earlier, create a separate channel for this bot, otherwise there will be unnecessary clutter in your channel. And the bot is working perfectly well for me. Now let's go back to this page. Click Advanced Settings. Here, you will find additional settings which were probably not there last time. You can change many things. I kinda remember that last time if you wanted to change anything about this chat shape bot, you had to reach out to the developers, but it seems like you can literally change anything you want here, and don't even require to contact the developers for this. I think it's a super cool feature. Now let's try this out. This is funny! Anyway, a big shout out to this Shape.inc server. Join them up if you face any difficulties with the Shape bot, they control everything. A few days back, they went through some difficult situation, but I am happy everything is settled now. Make sure to support them. You can also join my Discord server for banners, dividers, decors and layouts. We have so many of it. However, make sure your account age is 7 days or older. But anyway, if you don't want decors and all, you can join for other stuff too, like making new friends, hanging out with us. It's okay, if you're introvert. I am an introvert too. So yup, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe button.